In this video, I will tell you how to fix if your profile is not recommending on the Facebook. So for that, the process is very simple and easy. So make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. And I will be providing the Facebook link in the description below so you guys can check it out. All you have to do is to go to your profile. And in the profile, what you have to make sure is that your profile disobey any sort of the your Facebook guidelines. So for that, how you guys can check it out? All you have to do is to go and click on the three dots or underneath your profile. And here you guys have to check the profile status. So it says that when we take actions on your profile or content for going against our standards, you will see them here. So it says no restrictions. So make sure that there is no restriction over here. And if you have any restriction, make sure to go through the process, which will undo all the restrictions on your profile. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.